Welcome everybody, this is Carter Froelich with the Property Ledger. Today's tutorial is inputting actual operating results. And one of the things that's nice about the Property Ledger that other real estate software programs do not do is that once you have actually gone in and done an analysis related to an income producing property and you have your Proforma and you've closed on that property, every year you have the ability to go in and replace your estimates with actual operating results. So today we're going to go and show how one would do that on a real property. So let's assume we want to go in and take a look at 123 Elm Street. And as a little refresher, we purchased this property in 2012 for $98,000. And when we had originally done our estimates, we had assumed annual rental revenues of $13,200. We had a vacancy and credit allowance of $660 per year. Our operating expenses were estimated to be $3,328 for an NOI of $9,212. And then we actually have our mortgage payments, capital improvements, and tax benefits that we've estimated here. So let's assume that is now 2013. We've printed out our QuickBook reports, and we noted that for our operating income, inclusive of our vacancy allowances, we had collected $12,540. Additionally, our operating expenses were noted to be $2,507. How would we go about inputting the actual results into 2012? Well, first of all, let's start with the rental income. We would click on the rental income tab, and as you can see up above, we have a number of different things we can do. Edit rental income, add a monthly income, add a one-time income, or add actual income. And that is what we're going to be clicking on. So the year that we're looking at is 2012, so we input 2012, and then we input our actual revenue that we recognized over the year of $12,540, and then we merely hit submit. Now if we wanted to go to the operating expenses, we would click on that, and as a little refresher, you can see that we had input all of our expenses initially, and we had a total of, if we go down to the total, $3,630 that we had originally estimated. Well, here we would go to the top of the page again, and you can see that we have a number of different menu items from add an operating expense, change the default rates, add a one-time expense, or add an actual expense. Now when we add this actual expense, we're going to be showing it in total as opposed to broken out by categories. So in this instance, we would be inputting the year 2012, and then we would go and put down our actual operating expenses of $2,507, and then we would hit a submit. Then we would go to our property summary, and what you can see now is for 2012, the rental income estimate has been replaced with our actual. Our vacancy and allowance has been turned to zero because our $12,540 is inclusive of our vacancy and credits. And then our operating expenses have been changed from what they were originally to $2,507. We have a new net operating income amount. Our mortgage payments remain the same. Our capital improvements remained the same because we had made those at $1,200. Our tax benefit expenses change, and now you can see our new revised net cash flow from rental income. So as you can see, entering the actual operating results for a property is very straightforward and very easy. And the thing that's nice about that is now once you have your actual figures input, you're beginning to track your actual financial metrics based on your actuals as opposed to your pro forma results, even though your pro forma results would be moving forward from 2013 forward, and those would be updated on an annual basis. We hope that this has been helpful for you, and we look forward to you participating in other tutorials. Thank you very much.